This YouTube channel, Before It's Too Late, has grown to around 116,000 subscribers with just 10 videos, and one of those videos reached 3.8 million views in only 1 month. The channel focuses on simple life advice and is created using 100% AI, including AI influencers, AI voiceovers, and captions. Despite having very few uploads, the channel is already getting millions of views, and the niche has very low competition, making it a strong opportunity. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create similar videos using AI. This has become much easier because Higgsfield AI has launched its new AI Influencer Studio, which allows you to create realistic influencer-style videos completely with AI, just like this channel, and even turn them into full-length videos. I will guide you step by step on how to make these videos using Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio, and by the end of the video, I will also explain how you can earn money by uploading your AI influencer videos on social media and monetizing them through Higgsfield AI, including the full earning process. To make a video like this, the first thing you need is a prompt, which I will provide in the link in the description. First, we will create our AI influencer in a simple way, similar to how the channel Before It's Too Late creates its videos. To do this, you need to copy the first prompt from Google Docs. Then open ChatGPT and paste that prompt here. After pasting it, click on the Generate button, and ChatGPT will create a detailed prompt for you. Using this generated prompt, you can easily create your AI influencer. Once the prompt is ready, make sure to copy the full prompt completely, as it will be used in the next step. Even if you do not generate a prompt, you can still create an influencer. First, copy the prompt if you have one. After that, go to Higgsfield, sign up, and log in. On the main interface, click on the second option, which is called AI Influencer Studio. Once you open it, you will see a main interface where you can easily create an influencer by choosing the available settings and pasting your prompt if you want to use one. First, I will show you how to create an influencer using the settings shown on the screen, and then I will explain how to generate an influencer by pasting the prompt we created earlier. Start by selecting Human in the character type. After that, scroll down and choose the gender of your influencer, either male or female. I will choose a male character. Next, you will see the option to select the type of influencer based on ethnicity: African, Asian, or European. Pick anyone according to your choice. After that, scroll down and select the skin color you prefer. After this, you need to choose the eye color of your influencer. Once you have selected the eye color, you will see the age options below. There are 3 choices: adult, mature, and senior. You can pick any one of them according to your preference. I will choose senior for this example. Next, you need to turn on the advanced settings button. Once you do that, you will see a lot of detailed options. First, choose how you want your eyes to look. Select human here. If you want a different style for the eyes, you can also choose that from the options below. Next, select how you want your ears to appear. Again, choose human. Finally, make sure to select the skin option according to your preference. These settings help make your AI influencer look more realistic and human-like. Once you are happy with your adjustments, click the Generate button and your influencer will start being created. As you can see, this is our basic influencer ready. However, it is not as precise as the influencers created by channels like Before It's Too Late. Now, I will show you how to make a fully customized AI influencer character by pasting the prompt we generated earlier. If you want to create your own influencer using a prompt, first click on the prompt option. Then paste the prompt that ChatGPT generated for you. The simple settings we added earlier will appear on the screen. You need to delete these. After that, click the Generate button, and the AI influencer will be created according to your prompt. Next, we will edit the influencer to make it look complete, just like the ones on the Before It's Too Late channel. To do this, click on the Edit icon. This will open Edit in Nano Banana Pro. You can also create a video by clicking the option here, but for now we will focus on editing. Once you click it, a main interface will appear in front of you, where you can start customizing your influencer. On this interface, you can edit your influencer's image. First, choose a model, for example, Nano Banana. After selecting the model, set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Next, paste the same prompt that ChatGPT generated for creating the character earlier. Once you've pasted the prompt, click the Generate button. Your AI influencer will be ready in just a few seconds, similar to the influencers on the Before It's Too Late channel. We will use this influencer to create and complete the full video. Next, click on the Download button to save your influencer image to your device. After that, we will create the video script using ChatGPT. First, we need an idea or topic for the video. To do this, go to Google Docs, link provided in the description, and copy the second prompt. This prompt will help you get topic ideas from ChatGPT. Once copied, go back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click Generate. You will receive 5 to 7 topic ideas. You can choose any of these topics to make your video. After selecting your topic, the next step is to write the script. Go back to Google Docs and copy the third prompt. You can edit this prompt to set how long you want the video to be, for example, the number of minutes. Once edited, copy the prompt and return to ChatGPT, the same place where you generated your topic ideas. Paste the prompt here. In the prompt, you will see a section that says Paste Video Idea here. Replace this with the topic you chose from ChatGPT. For example, I am using the topic, I am in 76 and still don't know this. After pasting your topic, click Generate and ChatGPT will start preparing the video script for you. In just a few seconds, your complete script will be ready. Now that our script is ready, the next step is to generate the voiceover and make our AI influencer speak properly, just like the videos on the Before It's Too Late channel. To do this, go back to Higgsfield. On the top corner, you will see the Video option. Hover over it and scroll down to find Lip Sync Studio. Click on it. You will see an interface. Here, you need to upload your influencer image by clicking on the Upload Image option. After uploading the image, once your influencer image is uploaded, then click on Generate Audio or Upload. Here, you can upload your own voiceover or use one of the many AI voices available in Higgsfield. If you choose an AI voice, you can paste your text and generate the voice easily. In my case, I have already created an AI voice, so I click Upload and add my voiceover file. After uploading, wait a few moments while the process completes. Once done, select this voiceover, and it will automatically be uploaded in the main interface. There's no need to type anything in the prompt box. Then scroll down and choose the quality, either Pro or Standard, depending on what you prefer. Next, under the section with multiple models, select Kling Avatars 2.0, which allows you to generate a video of your influencer up to 5 minutes long. Finally, click the Generate button, and your video will start being created. Once your influencer talking head video is ready, you can download it easily by clicking the Download button. I click it, and my video is saved to my device. The next step is to create images for your video. To do this, go back to Google Docs and copy the last prompt. After copying them, go to ChatGPT, the same chat where you wrote your script, and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Click Generate and ChatGPT will create 5 image prompts based on your script. First, we will create images using these 5 prompts. After generating these, at the bottom, ChatGPT will ask if you want to create the next set of image prompts according to the next section of your script. You just confirm and it will generate the next 5 prompts. By repeating this process, you can create prompts for your entire script. Now copy the first prompt and get ready to generate its image. For this, we will use Higgsfield. Now return to Higgsfield and go to the Image section. Take the first image prompt you copied and remove any existing prompts in the prompt box. Next, upload your influencer image, and this is the same image we used for the talking head video. After uploading, select the aspect ratio 16:9, choose the model as Nano Banana, and click Generate. Your first image will be ready. Repeat this process for the rest of the prompts ChatGPT provided. Generate each image one by one using the same steps. Upload your influencer image, paste the prompt, select 16:9 and click Generate. After creating the first 5 images, go back to ChatGPT and ask for the next set of image prompts. Copy these new prompts and generate their images in the same way. Make sure that your influencer image is always uploaded before pasting the prompt and clicking Generate. By repeating this process, you can generate images for your entire script, ensuring each image matches the content accurately. Once all your images are ready, you need to download them one by one. Click the Download button for each image and save them to your device. After that, we will edit the video by combining these images with the talking head video. Before editing, There's another feature in Higgsfield called Higgsfield Earn. With this, you can monetize your content. You can create content using the Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio, add the Higgsfield logo, upload it to social media, and submit it on Higgsfield Earn to start earning. Links to Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio and Higgsfield Earn are in the description below. Now let's move to video editing. I will use CapCut for this. Open CapCut and click Import. Import all your images, the talking head video of your AI influencer, and any voiceovers you have. Once everything is imported, you can start combining and editing your video. First, add your talking head video to the timeline. Once it's there, mute the original voice or extract it so you can manage it separately. Next, identify the part of the video where you want to insert content. Cut that section from the timeline. You can replace it with another video or images. If you want videos, make sure they are no copyright, which you can get from websites like Pixabay, then download and add them to your project. Replace the cut part with the video you want. For images, insert them where needed. Click on each image and on the right side, open the Animation tab. Here, you'll find many in-out combo animations. Select any to animate your images smoothly. Repeat this process throughout your video. Listen to your voiceover, cut sections, insert videos or images, and apply animations. This way, your final video will look professional and engaging. Now, our video is ready. If you want, you can add animations, transitions, or generate captions easily in CapCut with just one click. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click the Export button, and your video will start exporting to your device. All done in one click. After exporting, you'll have your final professional video ready to upload. All the tools I used in this process, including Higgsfield, CapCut, and the prompts, are linked in the description below, so you can access everything and follow along step by step.
I used to believe that if you worked hard enough, the doubt would eventually go quiet, but it hasn't. Not even now. And some nights, it's louder than it's ever been. My name is Thomas. I'm 76 years old, and I still don't know if I chose the right life. I've been thinking about that question more often lately, usually in the early morning when the house is quiet and there's no one else awake to distract me from my own thoughts. I sit at the kitchen table with a cup of coffee I've reheated once or twice, and I look out the window at a street I've lived on for decades, and I try to remember when this doubt first showed up. I can't pin it to a single moment. It didn't arrive with a bang or a mistake I could clearly point to. It came quietly, the way most lasting things do. When I was young, I thought life was about choosing correctly.